Good morning everyone, how are you all doing? So we are my cat. We just got a new cat. Oh my gosh, isn't he cute? Oh, actually it's a she. Her name is Marley. She is so cute. Look at her, she's about 4 weeks old. Anyway, she's a bit needy, so she just meows at me like every 5 seconds. It's like she just wants like to be picked up. Anyways, well, I'm doing twists today because I'm just sick of having my hair out. So I've decided I'm gonna be doing some twist. I'm gonna be using this hair right here. So this is the Afro twist braid. It's like a Marley hair pretty much. And I'm gonna be only using one packet because I'm doing my hair really short. So I'm gonna be cutting this in half and using probably just half of that because I just don't want long ones. So what you need is this. I'm gonna use this to obviously divide my hair, and then a comb to just comb it out, and then I've got some leave-in conditioner with some some rosemary oil in there as well that I'm mixing in. So yeah, I'm really hoping it doesn't take me, I'm aiming for like at least 4 hours with breaks in between. So I'm hoping by, it's currently 8 AM right now, so I'm hoping by at least maybe 2 o'clock I'll be done, depending on how many breaks I take in between. But anyway, let's do my hair. I'm trying not to cut my hair at all because I really want a bob. I'm trying to grow it out into a bob instead of my normal pixie cut that I always have. So I've just been like so tempted to cut it, but I just, yeah, I really want a bob and I have to make sure I grow the hair out. So, and the only way to do that is to do that. Let me go divide my hair really nicely. Alright, so I've just gone ahead and divided the hair into like 2 at the back, in the middle, and then here I just found out it's easier when I divide it. I know my back dividing isn't the best, but I tried. So I just find it's so much more easier when I start braiding when the hair is all divided up. I know it's all like an illusion, but I feel like the hair goes faster. So what I'm gonna do is probably start with the back ones, and then I'll proceed to show you guys, I guess, when because I find it really hard to try and braid and show you guys at the same time. Like the front one are easy for me to show you guys, but the back one I might try and do them off camera because yeah. So watch me. Done about halfway now. Finish all these, and it's 11:30. I had to stop to have breakfast, so now I'll just have these ones here. It's getting there. Just now I feel like I need a break, but it's not bad. Okay, so so I've done half the hair now, and now all I have is these front ones here, which will not take me long to do, which I'm happy about because this was taking so long, but now it's actually good that I'm actually done with it. So
so long to do, but I finally finished it up and I absolutely love it. I really like it. It's not too long, it's not too short, which is perfect. I think what I might do is probably maybe hot water the bottom bits, like just so it doesn't unravel. But other than that, I really like it. It's very light, so this is kind of like my second time doing twists. The first one I did was quite like they were quite thick because I was practicing, but this is the first time I've actually done them this small, and it took me 2 days, guys. And then let me just say, I was taking breaks in between to like eat food, and then I had to go somewhere, and then I'd start again, and yeah, but I'm glad I finished it. Hopefully I can leave it in for like a really long time, because I don't want to have to be doing hair anytime soon. But I really like it. Like I really love it. Like it turned out really good. Like it's not bad at all. Like, and I really like the length of it. But I think I will definitely probably curl the ends, like just, or maybe hot water it a bit, because sometimes this hair can be really itchy. So I find if I hot water it, then it's gonna look okay. Just realized one just unraveled. This is why I need to hot water it, because like this one just unraveled, so I need to hot water it so that way it stops it from unraveling. Because like I said, I'm just practicing, but I really like the effort that I did on these. So yeah, I love these braids. Anyway guys, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.